Welcome to FastAccounts.io. Guide to Managing DoAssembly in Fast Accounts. In this video, we will discuss how to dismantle a product into further components, for example, dismantling a container. Dismantling refers to the process of breaking down a product into its individual components or parts. Let's take an example of the dismantling of a container. Imagine you bought a container weighing 1,000 kilograms. The contents might include 100 kilograms of laptops and electronics, 300 kilograms of clothing and textiles, 250 kilograms of furniture and home decor items, 200 kilograms of packaged food products, 150 kilograms of assorted tools and machinery. The dismantling of this container involves unpacking and categorizing the goods based on their type, size, and purpose. Usable goods, such as laptops, clothing, and furniture, are organized for redistribution or resale. Items like packaging materials or damaged goods can be set aside for recycling or disposal. Log in and navigate to Templates under Assembly. Here, you will see a list of previously added templates. To add a new template, click the Add New button. Enter the template name and specify the total quantity of finished goods in the raw material factor. The raw material factor represents the total number of units of finished goods that will be selected in the next step. Later on in the video, further details will be provided on how the raw material factor is connected with the rest of the process. Then, list the finished goods produced from the container, such as laptops, clothing, home decor, cutlery, and tools. Now, enter the percentage in the quantity finished percentage cell. This percentage will divide the number of units specified in the RM factor among each product. You can also specify the quantity directly instead of the quantity finished percentage, but ensure that the total quantity matches the RM factor. Whichever column you use, quantity finished percentage or quantity, the percentage cost of finished goods is calculated automatically. Let us remind you that the cost FI% column indicates that the total cost of raw materials used will be divided among the finished goods according to the ratio specified in this column. Fast Accounts provides additional flexibility. If you prefer to manually divide the total cost among finished goods, you can select Manual in the Cost Percentage column. This option allows you to enter the cost percentages manually, as needed. Next, specify the raw materials. For example, if a container is being dismantled, select the container as the raw material. Additionally, include non-stock products and expenses associated with the DoAssembly process. After creating the template, press the Save and Close button. You can now select the template when running jobs. There are more examples, such as the DoAssembly of wheat grains, where they are broken down into their components: animal feed, flour, oil and supplements, etc. Similarly, you can select animal feed, flour, oil, or supplements in the finished goods column, representing the products you are producing. Then, select grains in the raw material column as the source from which these products are being produced. After that, you can go to Jobs and create new jobs. You can watch the relevant video as needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.